If we have this, we'll have our best years in every single sport.
I would describe White Stadium as old. It seems like it haven't been taken care of for a long time.
We've all played here, for a while, and we've seen it sort of get worse as time goes on. But again, we do like it a lot, so it's not like we want to go somewhere else. Like, we want to stay here, but you're sort of looking around and you're like, this could be better. We know how important the renovations could be for us and coaches and fans, so I think we are pulling hard for it for sure.
It can get really dangerous. Say it was like a city championship or something, and somebody happened to run into a pothole, and then that would just mess up their whole race for the day.
We need better grass to play on, because we could see mushrooms and flowers in this one. It's dangerous near the goals, because it was only mud. I feel like it would be safer and better for us to play in a better field.
We can't even hold meets here because there's only 6 lanes, and there's a lot of the jumping things that you can't do here.
It don't got ventilations of wind coming in or out. The waters, you don't feel trusting to drink it, even though I'm thirsty.
These things should be in place for BPS and city athletes.
The current state that the track's at now caused a lot of injuries for my teammates. I have a lot of shin pain when I'm running at White Stadium, and then I'll go to a nicer track and it's a lot lighter and less painful.
With bouncier tracks, it makes it so much better for you to have faster PRs and run faster, and especially if we could hold more meets here, then it'd make it so there's more opportunities for people in the city to run against fast people, which in turn makes you faster. And honestly, it'd probably motivate so many other people to join because the environment would be so much better.
We graduate here, and it's not the best place to graduate.
There's so much talent in the city, so much. With the White Stadium, the entire state's going to be like, oh, I want to go into White Stadium, which it should be like that. Come into the city.